Hey traders, my name is Jake and I'm an analyst here on the Benzinga news desk. What I want to do is give you guys a quick rundown of what the Benzinga Professional feed can offer you and how we might be able to make you a better trader out there in the markets. What you're looking at front and center is the Benzinga Professional feed, completely unsorted and unfiltered currently, with a search window below it, and then the calendar on the right, which I will go into later. Basically what this feed is we are going and grabbing all the most important information out there in the markets that we think can move stocks, putting it into this feed, and then distilling it down to exactly what you need from it. So whether that's a press release and cutting up the headline to make sure it's only the key data in it, whether it's listening to a conference call and getting only the most important comments for you, or whether it's tracking down rumors that are moving stocks out on the street, we want to make sure that we are your eyes and ears out there on the markets. So I'm going to do quickly is show you guys how to sort the information in the feed. Up top, I've got all these different filters. I can do Forex, I can do options, I can do mergers and acquisitions. Basically, cut out all the noise other than the basic categories that I'm most interested in. So real quick, I'm going to get rid of the news, take away show all, and for example, I'm going to show off our options content. So these are all what we call unusual options activity posts, and what we're looking for is large blocks of options are traded out in the markets that can indicate unusual activity. Sometimes they preclude large stock movements. Sometimes they come in before news, sometimes acquisitions and things like that. But generally, it helps our traders generate trading ideas, and they have been fairly profitable for them in the past. So we've continued doing it. This is a service that comes with every level of the Benzinga Professional subscription. Another type of headline that we offer that's kind of exclusive to us is the rumors headlines. These are basically rumors that we're picking up from the best traders out in the street. What we're doing is we're listening in and hearing what they're all talking about, what they're going after, whether it's a rumored acquisition, whether it's a rumor of a dividend hike, whether it's a rumor that a company's about to release a new product. We want to make sure that if it's moving the stock and the rumor seems pretty legitimate, we get it out to you. We'll also comment on how legitimate it sounds to us depending on the source, depending on the content, depending on what we've seen in the past. And then we also go one step further and even call the companies to try and confirm or deny the rumor. Again, what we're trying to do is we're trying to be your eyes and ears out there, leveraging our sources to make sure that you are more informed than the other traders out there. So what I'm going to do real quick is show you guys how to set up a custom portfolio so you only get news on the tickers that you care about. So you just click on the white gear here, you click alert settings, and I'll just pull it up in a new tab here. So this is the back end of my personal portfolio. Anybody can build this. It comes with every level of subscription. So right now what I've done is I've built a back to school portfolio. So you see I've got multiple groups here. You can have up to as many groups as you want. I got this one labeled back to school. Notice I've got pretty much primarily retail stocks listed there. I also have options because as a channel, because I do like to get options headlines as I'm watching the news. I'm just going to add one more stock here. Let's just add the Gap, another back to school name. So I'll just scroll down, grab the ticker that I need, add the stock to the group. It's as simple as that. If I click the little pencil next to the name, I can set up sound alerts so that my pro feed will make sounds when any news breaks on one of these items. So let's say I'm looking away, diving into a chart, and setting up a trade. I can have it ring a bell or something like that to bring my attention back to my feed so I know what's going on. I can also receive real-time email alerts. So that would be every headline comes straight to your email. This is what the email would look like here. This is just an example of a Walmart headline here. Basically, you'll get them in your email in real time, which I find is great if I'm away at a meeting or something like that, and I want to make sure that I'm up to date on a position that I'm holding out there in the markets. Going back to the pro feed, I'm going to pull up the calendar front and center here and show that off real quick. This is this spreadsheet here is our data calendar. This comes with every level of the Benzinga Professional subscription. What we've got here is the earnings tab, so you can sort it by any column you want. You can add and remove any column you want. One column that we add ourselves is the importance column. So these are ranked by our analysts. So every day you know what the most important earnings reports are before and after the close. This information is updated in real time and is great for deeper research. You can click an individual ticker and get the full ticker page if you want and get more data on the name. We also have guidance, economics, analyst ratings, dividends, mergers and acquisitions, and even conference calls in this system. So very comprehensive suite of data all in one place. Again, making it easier for you to get the data that you need. So that is a quick rundown of the Benzinga Professional feed. If you guys have any questions, please check out pro.benzinga.com or give us a call here at Benzinga. Thanks for joining us and hope to see you soon.